So if your business is struggling right now, you're probably going to need to do exactly what I did. There's three things every business needs to be successful. Let me just say this right out the gate. It doesn't matter what condition your business is in right now, whether sales are sluggish or non-existent, whether you have leads or no leads. It really doesn't matter. There is something you can do to turn it around. I know because I personally had to turn my own business around when it looked like I was going out of business. Every business faces this, so it's not new. So if your business is struggling right now, you're probably going to need to do exactly what I did. And that was that I needed an influx of new information. I had to make some investments in myself and in my business because sometimes it's you, the entrepreneur, that you need to grow. See, when you grow, your business will grow. And sometimes you can't grow without making those investments and getting around the right people, getting around people that are doing business on a high level, that are crushing it post-pandemic. And this is something you need to know. Maybe nobody has told you this, but in these next few years, if you don't have certain things in place in your business, certain knowledge, certain tools, your business won't make it. That's not gloom and doom. That's just the reality. If I had not made certain investments in my business, I would have been out of business within 3 years from right now. It would not have lasted. I would have kept right on doing the things that are not going to ever work again. And that's what a lot of businesses are doing right now. So you're going to need a network of people. The days of solopreneurship are over. You cannot make it on your own. You need to find your circle of champions. You need to find your network of people that you're going to grow with and do business with and that you're going to learn from. So you need the right network, but you also need the right tools. There's three things every business needs to be successful. Number one, you have to have the right vehicle. What's the right vehicle for you to drive your way to success? Secondly, you need the right knowledge. And the right knowledge is not just general knowledge, it's specialized knowledge. And you need specialized tools. And the third thing you need the right network. You need the right group of people around you to succeed in business in 2023 and beyond. And you need to be the right you. And you're not going to be the right you if you don't have the right tools, you don't have the right people around you, you don't have the right knowledge, skills, and expertise post-pandemic to have a thriving, healthy, successful business. And if you want to be one of the 7 that me and my team work with and help you to turn your business around, then I want to encourage you to go to the link and choose your option. It's very affordable. Anybody can do it. And I want to say this, you can't afford not to do it if your business is struggling or even on life support as mine was. So sign up for this program, grab one of those last slots, and I look forward to helping you to accelerate your business success starting right now. Click that link and let's go.